So this here is going to show you the importance of not skipping a step. It's always important to do a pressure test on the carb. Now, I'm going to hold this, hopefully you can see good, and I'll start pumping. And it's immediately losing pressure. Now I've already done this, and where it's blowing out through is it's going out through the jets. So, what I'm actually doing hooked up here is testing the seat for the needle valve. So, let's see here. Because I put this back on the saw and kept flooding out, among other things. Now watch what happens when I pump it up. So it's holding pressure now. Alright. So hit the lever here for the needle valve. Drops right away. So it's an interesting problem because the carb, let's try to get something decent. This is decent enough. That lever there is actually adjusted perfectly. Okay. And I was thinking about this earlier. You know, you get all these different kits and such. Look at the size of, referred to as the button on this diaphragm here. It's huge. Okay, so you set this at a certain height, then you put this on there. I mean, you can just see how much that's being held up already. Even with this gasket behind there and that recess, it's hitting the cover, pushing that down. So, unfortunately, I'm going to have to switch to the old one. All right, so here's just another quick view and another test. So, can pressurize it, and the needle seat is holding. And I'm going to take a little piece of hose, and since this diaphragm here is open to atmosphere through this hole, I'm going to blow on one end of the hose and make a seal here and push on the back of that diaphragm, which will push on that needle, and you should see that. So blew a little bit more, a little bit more. So you can see the seat is still holding pressure, and I'm just actuating it manually through there. Just another little test that I do, but you can see it working now.